Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, in today's vlog, I'll show you how you can replace your faulty brake switch. Well, I hope you guys remember a few months back I had an issue with my rear brake light. When I used to hold the front brake lever, the rear brake lights wouldn't work, and the reason was because of a brake switch that lies under it. There used to be a brake switch under here, so that is here right now. This is that brake switch. As you can see, this brake wire got cut from this end, so there's no way of reusing this again unless you are able to solder it perfectly at this point. The remaining part of the wire is over here. So this is that brake wire that got cut. Obviously this can keep failing again and again because it's held on very tightly here. I'll try to reconnect it pretty freely, and I'll also try to tape it strongly. Well, I received my new brake switch. It's here. I got it from TVS. It's around 350 rupees. So this is the new brake switch. I could have just cut this wire here and spliced it with the old wire here, but then it wouldn't have been a neat job. So for this job, I want to do it perfectly, and for that you'll need to remove the entire right side fairing and then connect this wire. So those of you who haven't seen my fairing removal DIY, please watch that in the link above here. So only after you do the entire fairing removal will you be able to fix this brake switch wire. So let's get on to it. First I'll need to remove the old wire from inside here. I think the connection from there, it comes all the way to here. So I'll need to connect it here. This is that wire. So I'll need to remove this first and then connect the new one.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. My soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop.
So I got the damaged brake switch wire out. So now it's time to connect the new brake switch wire.
Me from hitting the ground, and every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite.
Now before connecting the brake switch back in place, I think it would be better to slightly tape around this corner so that we minimize the chances of it breaking again.
And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. And when I fall to deep, you'd be right when I'm with to save me. A superhero in your sleep.
I'm not sure if this will help, but we'll just connect it this way and see how long it will last. This thing is supposed to be screwed right under here. So the brake switch is connected back in place. Now before we zip tie the wires, it's better to just connect the brake switch and see if it's working properly. It seems like the brake switch is working perfectly. Now we'll just zip tie the wires properly.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall too deep, will you be there when I wake to save me, a superhero?
So I got some zip ties from my Antec PSU. I'm going to use that to harness my wires.
You called my soul when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. In every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall too deep, will you be there when I wake to save me, a superhero in your sleep?
Just make sure that there is enough wire in front here and there is less wire here, so that when you move the handlebars left and right, there's enough place to move for the brake switch wire.
A superhero in your sleep. Oh, oh, and when I fall too deep, will you be there when I wake to save me,
So these are the places where I've zip tied the brake switch wire. One is here, one black zip tie over here, another zip tie over here with this frame, all these black wires together with this frame. And even here also I zip tied only the black wires together. There are 3 black wires, so all those are zip tied here. This is the brake fluid cable, so don't zip tie it with this wire. And then I've zip tied over here, and I have given a zip tie over here, and that's it. This is the indicator socket. So that's how you connect a brake switch wire. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.
superhero.